Hello everybody, how are you today? Well, let's study with teacher again. Today, we are going to study Unit 10, ascending and descending order up to 20. Again, if you are ready to study Unit 10, please say yes. Okay, let's start. Okay, everybody, please take a look at this presentation. Unit 10, ascending and descending, order up to 20. Please take a look at number 1. Write the numbers 1 to 20 in verse. So we have already practiced how to write numbers 1 to 10, right, in Unit 8 and Unit 9. And this time we have to practice how to write from number 1 to number 20 in verse. So let's start together. Everybody, number 1. How to spell number 1? Start with O, right? O-N-E. Okay, let's write together. Next, number 2. T-W-O. Next, number 3. T-H-R-E. Next, number 4. F-O-U-R. Next, number 5, F-I-V-E. Next, number 6, S-I-X. Number 7, S-E-V-E-N. Next, number 8, E-I-G-H-T. Next, number 9, N-I-N-E. Next, number 10, T-E-N. Okay, everybody. Now we finish writing from number 1 to 10 in verse. And I want all of you to count from number 1 to 10 together. Okay, everybody. If you are ready, please say yes. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you can all remember how to count from number 1 to 10. Next, we're going to start from number 11 to 20. So how can we spell number 11? Start with E, right? E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Next, number 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. Next, number 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. Next, number 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. Next, number 15. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. Next, number 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N. Okay, next, number 17, yes, S-E-V-E-N, T-E-E-N. Next, number 18, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. Next, number 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. And the last one, number 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y. Okay, that's it. So everybody, now let's count from number 1 to 20 again. Okay, everybody, if you are ready, please say yes. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so now we have finished writing the numbers from 1 to 20 in verse. And after that, please take a look at the next slide, everybody. So please take a look at number 2. write the number that comes before inverbs. So please take a look at the example. You can see that 6 is before 7, right? Yeah, if you don't believe that 6 is before 7, you can count from number 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's why 6 is before 7. So let's take a look at this exercise. Yeah, please take a look at number 1. Yeah, is before 9. So what number is before 9? Yeah, so number 8, right? So you spell 8 over here. Yeah, E-I-G-H-T. Yeah, 8 is before 9. Yeah, if you don't make sure that 8 is before 9, so you can count from number 1 to number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why we can conclude that 8 is before 9. Okay, next question. What number is before 12? Yeah, 11, right? Everybody, 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Is before 12. 11, there are two ones close together, right? Yeah, 11. 12, 1 and 2 close together is called 12. Okay, let's see the next question. What number is before 20? 20, there are 2 and 0 close together. So what number is before 20? Yeah, that number is 19, right, everybody? You spell 19 over here. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. Right? 19 is before 20. So you have to make sure that you can remember from number 1 to 20. So you can answer these questions very easily and quickly. Right. So that's why we have to practice. So we have to practice spelling from number 1 to 20. At the same time, we need to remember how to pronounce from number 1 to 20. So you can answer these questions very easily. Okay, next question. What number is before 5? So this question is very easy, right? So you can count from number 1 to number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can answer number 4. 4 is before 5. Okay. Next question. Is before 14. Is before 14. So you have to count from number 1 to 14. What number is before 14? That is number 13. T-H-I-R. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13 is before 14. What is number 14? There is 1 and 4 close together, so it's called 14. Yeah. So this question is the easiest question, yeah, because 1 is before 2, right? So you spell number 1 over here. That's it. So please take a look at number 3. Take a look at number 3. Write the number that comes after inverbs. So this time you need to put the number that comes after the number that they have already given you. So please take a look at the example first. 9 is after 8, right? 9 is after 8. If you don't make sure that 9 is after 8, you can count from number 1 to number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's why 9 is after 8. Okay, so let's take a look at this question. What number is after 19? That is number 20, right, everybody? So you need to spell number 20 over here. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20 is after 19. Because 20 comes after 19, right, everybody? Okay, what number is after 5? So that is number 6, right? 5 and then 6. How to spell 6, everybody? S-I-X, right? S-I-X, number 6 is after 5. Okay. SIX 6 is after 5. Okay, and next question, everybody. What number is after 16? That is number 17, right, everybody? How to spell 17? SEVEN. TEEN. 17 is after 16. Okay, so you need to remember. You have to remember from number 1 to 20. So you can answer what number comes after 16. Okay, so I will give you some time to think about the rest. Okay, if you finish answering these questions, yeah, please take a look at the next slide, everybody. Okay, please take a look at number 4. Circle the smaller number. So everybody here, do you understand the word, the smaller number? The smaller number. Okay. Normally, if we talk about small, it means little, right? For example, please take a look over here, 1 and 2. Which number is smaller? Everybody, 1 or 2 is smaller. The answer is number 1, right? Because 1 comes first and 2 comes after 1. That's why 1 is smaller. And how about 6 and 10, everybody? Which number is smaller? The answer is number 6 because 6 comes before 10. That's why 6 is smaller than 10. So please take a look at the example. They have already given you between 3 and 7. Everybody, 3 and 7. So you can know the answer suddenly because 3 is smaller than 7, right? Everybody, 3 comes first while 7 comes after 3. That's why 3 is smaller than 7. So right now, I think that all of you may understand about the amount of the numbers. So let's take a look at the first question between 14 and 8. Yeah, so which number is smaller? The answer is number 8, right? Because 8 comes before 14. Next, number 13 and 19. The answer is number 13. Yeah, so if you don't make sure, you have to count from number 1 to number 19. Yeah, again, so you have to remember from number 1 to 20. Okay, next 20 and 2. Yeah, so this question is very easy because number 2 comes first. Yeah, and then 17 and 8, number 8 is smaller. Next 1 and 20. Yeah, so number 1 comes first and number 1 is smaller than 20, certainly. So I will give you some time to think about the rest. Okay, if everybody finish doing this exercise, so please take a look at number 5. Cross out the bigger number. This time they want all of you to cross out. Your cross out is like this. Yeah. Cross out. Yeah, we call cross out. So you need to cross out the bigger number. So please take a look at the example first. Yeah, they have already given you 9 and 12. Of course, number 12 is bigger than number 9 because 12 comes after 9, right? So let's see the exercise. 17 and 19. What number is bigger? The answer is number 19. So you circle on number 19. Number 1 and 11. Of course, number 11. Number 12 and 13. Number 13 is bigger. 1 and 2. Of course, number 2. And how about number 13 and 4? Of course, number 13 is bigger than number 4. So I will give you some time to think about the rest. Okay, if you have finished doing the exercise, so please take a look at number 6. Write the numbers in ascending order. Yeah, so you need to start from the smaller number. Start from the smaller number to the bigger number. So you need to find what number is the smallest number until you write to the biggest number. So you see, yeah, the first question. And please take a look at the first question. So they start, yeah, they have already given you number one because number one is the smallest number, right? So let's see, yeah, what numbers are in this question. Yeah, number 6, number 10, number 7, number 20, number 15, and number 1. Right, everybody? 6, 10, 7, 20, 15, and number 1. Yeah, so they have already given you 6 numbers. So you need to order, and you need to order from the smallest number to the biggest number. So they have already given you number 1 is the smallest number, right? And what is the next number? So the answer is number 6, right? Because 6 is bigger than number 1, but smaller than any other number. And next, number 7, number 10, number 15, and the last one is number 20. So we can conclude that number 1 is the smallest number, while number 20 is the biggest number. Okay, now please take a look at question number 2. So this time they have already given you some verbs, the numbers in verbs. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, 12, yeah, 12, 3, 17, 4, 2. So you have to order from the smallest number to the biggest number. Start from number 2, TWO. Next, number 3, PHREE. Next, number 4, FOUR. Next, number 12, TWELVE, and the last number is number 17. So we can conclude that number 2 is the smallest number, while number 17 is the biggest number. Okay, I will give you some time to think about the rest, so you also practice. Okay, after you finish the exercise, so please take a look at number 7. Write the numbers in descending order. So this time you need to start with the biggest number to the smallest number, right? So this time is in the opposite way, in a contrast way. Yeah, let's see. There are number 15, number 7, number 12, number 14, number 20, and the last one, number 11. So the biggest number is number 20. And then what number is smaller than 20? That is number 15. Yeah, and next number 14. Next number 11. Next, number 12. Yeah, number 12 first comes first. Yeah, so you have to consider the numbers very well. Yeah, number 12 and then number 11. And the last one is number 7. So we can conclude that number 20 is the biggest number, while number 7 is the smallest number. Okay, please take a look at question 2. 1, 13, 4, 15, and 6. Yes, so you need to start with the biggest number. That is number 15 by everybody. FIFTEEN. 15. Next, number 13. PHIRTWE. Next, number 6. And next, number 4. And the last one is number 1. Is the smallest number. Okay, so we can conclude that number 15 is the biggest number, while number 1 is the smallest number. And after that, I will give you some time to think about the rest. Okay, so this is the end of my presentation. Hope you enjoy with my presentation, and today thank you so much for taking part in my presentation. The most importantly, you need to review the lesson again and again in order to improve your skills. yeah, in English. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Today, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye, everybody.